Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Anne English class. How are you today? I'm great. And you? Are you okay? Yeah. Today we will start with the new lessons of Unit 11, Something New to Watch. Lesson 1 and 2, pages 80 and 81. Now take out your student book and workbook. Open it. Now are you ready? We will start with lesson 1, words. Are you ready? You listen and point first. Then you repeat after me.
Listening 96. Listen and point. Cartoon. The news. Documentary. Channel. Advertisement. Remote control. TV show. Cell phone.
Now you listen and repeat after me.
Listen and repeat. Cartoon.
Cartoon.
The news.
The news.
Documentary.
Documentary.
Channel.
Channel.
Advertisement.
Advertisement.
Remote control.
Remote control.
TV show.
TV show.
Cell phone.
Cell phone. Excellent everyone. Open it, page 74. Exercise number 1. You read and circle the words. For example, number 1, you read the sentence. When you switch on the TV, you can see lots of different. Now you will circle shows. Number 2, a show for children with moving pictures. Can you guess a show for children? Yes. And you have to circle cartoon. Number 3, this tells you about things you can buy. What's this? Good job. Advertisement. When you see advertisement, you will buy the things on it. Number 4, to know what is happening in the world right now, you need to watch the news. Good job. In the world, you have to watch the news. Number 5, this TV show gives you information. What is this? Documentary. Good job. Documentary will give you the information. Number 6, you can use your blah 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 phone when you are out. Very easy, right? Cell phone. Good job. Number 7, to change the channel on the TV, you can use a remote control. Good job. Number 8, there are lots of discs on your TV. You choose one to watch with your remote control. What's this? Yes, good job. Channel. Exercise number 2. You write, use the words above. For example, number 1. Yesterday, we watched some different TV shows. First, my sister and I watched a cartoon. Yes, because my sister loved the funny drawing. You will see the keyword funny drawing and you guess the answer is cartoon. Number 3. When mom came in, she picked up the remote control. Good job. And changed the very good channel. Number 5. We watched a documentary about history. Very good. It was very interesting. My dad was out, but he phoned from his. Yeah, good job. You see phone and the first word before phone is cell phone. To say he was coming home soon. When Dad got home, he watched the excellent news to see what was happening in the world. You will see in the world, you have to watch news. After dinner, we all watched a DVD of our family vacation. Dad said this was the best TV to watch because it doesn't have any good job advertisement. We finished lesson 1. Now let's take a look. Next page 81. Lesson 2, Grammar 1. Now you look at the example. What is the woman talking? Can you read? Enjoy. I'm going to the kitchen to make lunch. Now you answer my questions. Where's she going and why? Very good. My answer is she go into the kitchen. Do you know why? Yeah, to make lunch. Now let's move to the answer again and listen to me. She go into the kitchen. That is a clause. And the clause can be in any tense. Simple present we call SB or simple past, and present progressive or we call PP. To make, that is to base form. All the same with the to infinitive. Remember, we use to plus base form of the verb for a purpose or a reason. Do you know what is base form? It is place? No. How about playing? No. So, the base form of place is play. Now I will give you some example of to plus base form. For example, to speak, to cook, to learn, to watch, or to do. Now you listen and repeat. On your textbook, student, page 81.
Listening 98. Listen and repeat. I turned on the TV to watch sports. He turned off the TV to play a video game.
Now, can you underline two base form, to watch and to play? We call to the base form or infinitive. Now, let's practice. Student book, page 81. Part 3, match and say. For example, number 1, you match, he played the CD. 2, listen to music. And you say the sentence. Okay? Now, you practice number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. 1 minute, please. Good job. Now, let's watch. Number 2, she watched a documentary to learn about animals. Well done. Number 3, I turn on the TV to, good job, to watch a cartoon. Number 4, we use the computer to, excellent, to write emails. And the last one, number 5, I use my cell phone to, great, to speak to my friends. Now, let's check your answer. Remember, you say it again by yourself. 5 sentences. We will move on part 4, read and number. Then write. Can you see? To play, to see, to show, to listen, to change, and to take. Now you read the sentence and then you number. And finally, you write it in a sentence. For example, number 1. On our vacation, we make a DVD to show on our family and friends back home. Here is picture number 1. Now number 2. He looked in the newspaper. Yes. To see what was on TV. And can you write the picture A, number 2. Number 3. I don't have a camera, but I can use my cell phone. Good job. To take photos. Can you guess what is the picture? Yes, picture D. Now number 4. I don't like this show. Where's the remote control? Well done. To change the channel. And which is the pictures? Yeah, picture E. And the last one, number 5. I have a new MP3 players to listen to my music. Good job. And picture B. Now you open book, page 75. Exercise number 1. Circle the infinitive. It means you circle to plus base form. For example, look at number 1. I went to the movie theater. to watch a movie. You circle infinitive here. Okay? Now number 2. She went into the kitchen to eat some food. Where is infinitive? Yes, infinitive here. To eat. Number 3. My dad came into my room to help with my homework. Good job. To help is the infinitive. Number 4. I put my books on the shelf to tidy my room. To tidy. Good job. Number 5. I phoned my grandma to say happy birthday. Where is the infinitive? To say. Good job. Number 6. My dad used the computer to write an email. Excellent. To write is the infinitive. Exercise number 2. Complete the sentences using an infinitive. In this exercise, you will write 2 plus base form. For example, number 1. I went to the living room to watch TV. Number 2. She's watching this documentary to learn about spaces. Very good. Or you can write to learn about something, about astronauts, or about the moon, about the earth. Number 3. They went to the park to ride bikes. For example, number 4. Do you know she used the dictionary? She used the dictionary to look up words. When you don't know any words, you can check up or look up dictionary to find out the meaning of the words. Number 5. We're washing the vegetables. Yes, to cook. Number 6. He went to the supermarket to buy some food. Yes, or you can write to buy some drink, for example, like that. Now let's move on. Exercise number 3. You listen to a man talking about documentaries, filling the correct circle. You listen twice.
Listening 22. Listen to a man talking about documentaries. Fill in the correct circle.
I watch documentaries to learn more about subjects I'm interested in. I sometimes watch them on TV. It's very easy. I just turn on the TV, and there is a channel that shows lots of documentaries. When I watch this channel, I also find new interests. I learn a lot by watching documentaries. I think it's the best way to spend free time. I also use the internet to watch more documentaries. I can find many interesting ones that are short and free. I sometimes search for special documentaries to share with my friends. I love to share my interests with them. They enjoy it too.
1. Why does the man watch documentaries? A. To laugh. B. To learn. C. To relax. 2. What does he think is the best way to spend free time? A. Reading newspapers. B. Watching documentaries. C. Playing games. Three. Why does he use the internet? A. To find more friends. B. To watch more game shows. C. To watch more documentaries. Four. Why does he search for special documentaries? A. To share them with his friends. B. To share them on the internet. C. To find more friends.
Do you fill in the correct circle? Now we will check together. Listen again.
I watch documentaries to learn more about subjects I'm interested in. I sometimes watch them on TV. It's very easy. I just turn on the TV and there is a channel that shows lots of documentaries. When I watch this channel, I also find new interests. I learn a lot by watching documentaries. I think it's the best way to spend free time.
Yes, the answer number 2 is watching documentaries. He thinks it's the best way to spend his free time. Look at number 3. Why does he use the internet?
I also use the internet to watch more documentaries.
Can you hear? To watch more documentaries. The answer is C. And the last one, why does he search for special documentaries?
I can find many interesting ones that are short and free. I sometimes search for special documentaries to share with my friends.
Yeah.
I love to share.
He say he shared them with his friends. So the answer is A. Goodbye, my children. Remember, do your workbook and do exercise on Google Form. See you next time. Goodbye, my children. Remember, do your workbook and do exercise on Google Form. See you next time.